So what I'd like to do here real quickly is illustrate how to add materials to a material and site improvement manager from within an existing project. So I'm going to come here, doing new project, just so I have something that doesn't have a whole lot in it. I'm just going to use a US survey foot template. Start the project up. Now, once this starts, what I will do is I will open up an existing Material and Site Improvement Manager library and import materials from that library. Okay, to do this, we're going to go to the Field Data tab, or one of them that has the Material and Site Improvement Library in it. Actually, I'll go to Takeoff here. But we're going to go to our Material and Site Improvement Manager. Once we have the Material and Site Improvement Manager open, we're going to go File, say Open an External Library. So then we have to map to where we have that library at. I believe I have some my documents. Material and Site Improvement Library, so here's just a demo one that I have in here. So now what that does is that puts your external library down here. If you look at my materials that I have in this, I have a few earthen materials, a few landscaping, and a couple of site improvements that are here. Now if I go to my materials, I've got this asphaltic concrete group. Now to move the entire group, I'm going to select it, right click, and say copy from external, and that's going to move that entire group asphaltic concrete materials into my Material and Site Improvement Library within my project. So anyways I want to move, you have to click on this copy from external library and it will copy it to your internal library that's within that project, and then you'll have those materials set up in there. So it's a good idea as you're doing this, if you want to save this as an external so that you can give it to someone else, would be to create those new materials. So if I want to create a new asphaltic concrete material, I could come in here, right click, and say new asphaltic concrete material. I could set all my settings the way I wanted it here, for instance, and just call this test or whatever. And then once I get finished with this right here, which I'll rename this, if it's going to let me. Okay, and so then once I have that one named, I have things set up the way I wanted it to, I can come up here and say File and save this as an external library. And that will save that library both externally, so I could email it to someone if I wanted to as an external library, and or then if I wanted to bring that into this new project I had, I could just copy it from my external and it's going to show up here in my materials. So that's kind of just a general overview. If you have any other questions, give me a call or contact me. You can call me at the office, 303-739-3010, and or email me at cphillips, Phillips, at SciTech, SITECH, the word Rocky, ROCKY, and then MTN for mountain.com. Thank you, and hopefully this will give you the information that you're looking for and provide you direction in the right way. Thanks. Bye.